Doge is going full throttle into AI. Google's letting kids under 13 chat with Gemini. Meanwhile, another Gemini model just flunked a safety test. Apple is teaming up with Anthropic on an AI coding platform. OpenAI is reworking ChatGPT to be less of a suck-up. This week in AI was insane. Here's your 3-minute roundup. Google's latest Gemini AI model, 2.5 Flash, just failed some of the company's own safety tests, doing worse than the previous version. Internal benchmarks show it's more likely to produce risky or inappropriate content. Google says it's working to improve, but it's a big reminder that new AI isn't always a safer AI. Next week, Google will let kids under 13 use its Gemini chatbot, as long as their accounts are managed by parents with Google Family Link. This move could reshape how young users interact with AI, but it's sure to spark debate over privacy and online safety. A new article slams Doge's aggressive push into AI, calling it chaotic and counterproductive. But maybe that's the point. After years of inertia, we're finally seeing bold, innovative thinking in government. Is disruption really a bad thing when the alternative was doing nothing? A bold claim in Silicon Valley. One startup founder told ex-Palantir staff that AI agents could replace tens of thousands of government jobs. The reaction? A flood of clown and bootlicker emojis. It seems not everyone's buying the hype. Apple and Anthropic are quietly working together on a new generative AI tool to write and edit code for developers. For now, it's internal only, but if released publicly, it could make coding a lot faster and change how programmers work everywhere. Google's Notebook LM, the AI-powered note and research assistant, is coming to Android and iOS on May 20th. After months as a desktop app, users will soon manage notes and research on the go, making mobile productivity even smarter. Airbnb now has an AI customer service bot quietly handling half of all US support requests. CEO Brian Chesky says the bot is helping guests solve problems faster, and soon, every American Airbnb user will be using the new AI assistant. Thanks for watching all the way through. And before we wrap, we've got one last story you won't want to miss. OpenAI is making changes to ChatGPT after users noticed the tool was being way too agreeable, even fawning, in its answers.